3/4 of an inch. Hot American roll.
This route has a suggestive name, and I don't want to get demonetized. Oh wait, I'm not monetized. This route is called near Lycra.
But it's C-O-M-E. I don't know the
I mean, in any of those like spicy novels, that's how they spell it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Ooh, this is really good. Yeah, I'm just going to chalk up my other finger. My other hand, rather. Wow. Thanks. Not great. That 2-finger pod that you had just looked a lot worse. So I'm like, I'll take my chances over here. It's pretty thin for 10B.
It is thin. A lot of places, yeah. They're real cut though.
Yeah. This fly is like going to my eyeball. Here we go.
Yeah, it feels kind of necessary to get on that ledge, right?
Yeah, I'd say.
I didn't think so I could do it that.
All right. A stick bug.
A stick bug?
Yeah.
Oh, get him on cam.
He's in there. Yeah, stick bugs are cool. All right, take. That was super good. Kind of stout for 10B.